Today, I, Dr. Subhranshu Mohanty, want to give a presentation on e-learning and learning management system towards UGC-MMTTC micro teaching assignment. Actually, I am an assistant professor in IT and systems at Army Institute of Management and Technology. The topic is e-learning and LMS. E-learning is nothing but electronic learning. It refers to learning through any digital platforms by using internet, computers, mobiles and any learning management system. If you'll talk about digital platforms are nothing but Coursera, Udemy, edX. These are the examples, few examples. E-learning supports flexible, accessible and technology-driven education to the participants. Next slide talks about what are the key components of e-learning in higher education. We use this e-learning in online admission and registration through CUT exam. CUT is Common University Entrance Test. It is a national level entrance test exam which is used for admission to various universities in India. Here students create a profile, select universities or courses, upload their individual documents, pay requisite fees through online. Universities then receive students' data digitally. So by this way, online admission and registration through CUT can be done. Next one is how the admission process is digitized. Once CUT results are declared, colleges complete further admission steps online. Counseling to be done online, seat allotment to be done online, fee payment to be done online, certificates and documentary evidences should be submitted online. So if we'll talk about an example, when a student receives an email or SMS about seat allotment from the respective university, he or she logs into the university dashboard, accepts the seat, pays admission fee online, upload the documents, then the process of online document verification started at the university end. So documents, basically it includes 10th, 12th graduation mark sheets, in caste or category certificates, income certificates of their parents, if a student is an economically weaker student, migration certificate received from the previous university. Next is digital examination system. Examinations are conducted using digital platforms for scheduling, monitoring and evaluation process. Entrance examinations like JEE, NEET and CUT are conducted using computer-based test mode where students appear on respective terminals at their particular location. Indian Digital Education and Verification Portals. These portals support students, universities and government bodies. DigiLocker is a government app to store and verify original documents digitally. Shoyam, this is a nationwide e-learning platform, offers free courses created by the IITs, IIMs and top universities. NAD, National Academic Depository, where the student can store digital records of his or her all academic certificates in encrypted form. Encryption is a kind of a process. Encrypted means actually this is a term which is used in cryptography. Encryption means normal text will be converted into cipher text, and when the at the receiver end, when the receiver will get the document, first of all, he or she will decrypt the document, then the ciphertext will be converted into normal text, and the process is called as decryption. Then the complete process of encryption and decryption can be termed as cryptography. AISHE, All India Survey on Higher Education. This is a portal which collects data from institutions to track the growth of higher education in India. Types of e-learning. As we know, there are various types of e-learning. One is the asynchronous learning, second one is the synchronous learning, third one is the blended learning, and fourth one is the hybrid or hyflex model of e-learning. So first and foremost is we will talk about asynchronous learning. In this kind of a learning, it does not happen in real time. Students can learn anytime, anywhere, at their own pace. If we talk about the type of asynchronous learning, some examples are: one is the pre-recorded videos, discussion boards, self-paced modules. Then what do you mean by pre-recorded videos? Lessons recorded earlier, students can watch anytime at their own wish. Discussion boards, student post questions and answers without needing to be online at the same time. Self-paced modules, learners go through study material whenever they want. So these are the various kinds of asynchronous mode of learning. Next one is synchronous learning. Actually, this type of learning happens in live with teachers and students. Both teacher and student, they may be present at the same time. If we talk about some examples of synchronous learning, live classes, virtual classrooms, webinar based learning, these are the examples. Live classes means real-time online lectures. Both student and teacher should be present online. Virtual classrooms, these are nothing but digital classrooms with interactive tools. Webinar based learning, these are the live sessions conducted by the experts. Blended learning, next one is blended learning. What do you mean by blended learning? This is a mix of online as well as a traditional face-to-face classroom learning. This particular learning methodology is strongly supported by National Education Policy 2020. This learning helps to create a balanced, flexible learning environment. Next category of learning, e-learning, is hybrid model. In this model, students themselves choose whether to attend the class online or offline. This kind of learning gives more flexibility and supports diverse learning needs. 5 principles of e-learning instruction. How learning happens best as per APA 1997 and Merrill. They have given 5 principles of e-learning. One is the demonstration principle. Demonstration principle says when students see a demonstration of what they are expected to learn. If we'll talk about some example, then a teacher shows how to solve a mathematical problem step by step. This is nothing but a demonstration principle. Application principle. This is a category of a principle in which learning becomes stronger when learners apply the new knowledge themselves. After watching a particular demonstration, students practice similar kind of problems at their own time. So this kind of principle is called as application principle. Next one is task-centered principle. Learning is more effective when learners work on real meaningful tasks that relate to the actual skill set he or she has. Example, if we talk about an example, instead of only learning theory, students perform real tasks like creating a project, solving a case study. This comes under task-oriented or task-centered principles. Activation principle. Learning happens better when students activate their prior knowledge before learning some new things. Teacher first asks what the student already know about a topic. This kind of teaching methodology follows the activation principle. Next one is integration principle. Integration principle says connect the knowledge to their real life and use it on everyday situations. Student apply what they learn in the class to solve a real life problem. So these are the 5 principles. There are several national programs has already been conducted to promote e-learning. That BharatNet project, National Digital Literary Mission (NDLM). Next one is a Digital Saksharata Abhiyan (DISHA), Internet Sathi program, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharata Abhiyan (PMG DISHA). So these are few examples of e-learning portals. Next, what are the benefits we are getting from this e-learning? Scalable and accessible. That means this methodology of learning reach large number of students anytime and anywhere. Personalized learning. Students can learn at their own pace with the content tailored to their needs. Supportive learning environment. Discussion forums, recorded videos and online resources help students to do the revision at their own time. What are the challenges basically we are facing in e-learning? Network connectivity, limited student motivation. These are the pitfalls between teachers and learners through announcements, messages and discussion forums. LMS design framework refers to the structured way and learning management system is designed to support effective teaching, learning, content delivery and user engagement. Video lessons, recorded or live video lectures that help students understand the complex topic. Research and exploration modules. These are the sections where student can explore reference materials and links and additional readings. So next is what are the different LMS tools we are using in India. Widely used LMS platforms are Moodle. This is an open source software. It is free. Customizable LMS commonly used in universities and colleges. Google Classroom. It is very popular in schools because it is simple and free of cost. Canvas / Blackboard. Some advanced LMS platforms used by many higher education institutions. SWAYAM LMS. Government of India has already launched this particular platform offering free courses from top institutions to the students. Teachment. It is a mobile friendly LMS widely used by schools and coaching centers. If we talk about how LMS is accessible in by the rural people, due to low internet access in rural areas, only 29% of rural households have internet access. 66% of urban households have only internet access. So it is very difficult in rural areas to penetrate. So this shows it is a big digital divide between rural and urban India. These are my 2 topics. The conclusion is e-learning and a learning management system have transformed modern education by making learning more accessible, flexible and technology driven. With the digital platforms, universities can ensure efficient admissions, transparent processes, seamless assessments and personalized learning experiences. As India strengthens its digital initiative, the future of education will continue to evolve through innovation, inclusivity and smarter learning systems. Thank you.